Hi guys, and welcome to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I'm Ivo, and this is the 10th video in our Mastering Forge series. In this episode, we are diving deeper into the Forge application as we explore OPC UA's other communication architecture. Today, we will learn how to create an OPC UA publisher and subscriber using the MQTT protocol. And in this demo, we are going to use the internal MQTT broker that we have included in Forge installation. So we will start from this menu where we can navigate to MQTT broker settings. We are going to use these default values here. So we just need to enable the broker like that. And then we can continue to configure this OPC UA publisher. So I will navigate back to the dashboard where I will start this OPC UA publisher module. And then I will continue to this module where I start with configuring this variable dataset. So let's start with creating this variable dataset. I'm gonna name it as my coffee parameters. I will use the feed name as the browse path and change the root node to be my coffee. So then the browse path will start from this my coffee object. And I will add that one, and then I can add these tags or nodes that I want to send with this variable dataset. I'm going to select this pressure steam, and then I'm going to select this pressure water, and yeah, I'm ready with this. Then I'm gonna continue to event dataset where I add a new dataset. Let's say this is gonna be my coffee event, and I select this event node to be my coffee because we're gonna use the event that we configured in episode 9. Then I need to select which event properties or event fields are going to be added to the pops up message. I'm ready. I will add that one, and then we can continue to connections. I'm going to open the connections view and add a new connection. We are going to connect to the local broker, so I will name this as the local broker. We use just the basic MQTT, and these default values are built for us. So I can add that one. The status is green, so we are good to go. Then we are going to create a new writer group, and this is going to be then my coffee, let's say, group, and we're gonna use 1 second interval. From the advanced menu we could change the content in the message, but we are continuing with the basic default values. And finally we need to add these dataset writers for this group. I select this dataset which we just created, and it will fill out all the default values, which are good. From the advanced button we could configure even more of the content, but we just add that one. And then we are also going to add this event dataset. Here we need to now give a name for the writer, so I'm gonna fill that. And again, these default values are great, so just add, and we are ready with these Forge configurations. Then I'm going to use our browser application to receive these messages. I have connected my browser to this Forge's internal broker, and I can see that we are receiving values from Forge. we have two different views. Here are the raw data messages. We see that we have the data messages right here. We receive the events and then this data, and because of this, these messages are OPC UA pops up messages. This browser can parse them to nodes like this. Okay, then we are going to continue to use Forge's OPC UA subscriber. For that, we need to have some messages in OPC UA pops up format. So I'm going to use our simulation server to publish messages that Forge's local internal broker. I have configured the connection address there, so I can just start up this publisher and I can continue here in Forge. I will go to the dashboard where I start up this OPC UA subscriber module. We are not going to get the new module up here in the main navigation bar, but we can find this OPC UA subscriber subview in the data sources. So I will add a new subscriber. I write the name as local broker. Again, just the MQTT. We use this localhost 1883, and then this configuration is ready. I just press save, and the status is green, so we are good to go. I can see now from the data sources that I have this OPC UA subscribers folder, and there is a hierarchical structure created for us, and this is now created according to the messages that we receive. And that's it. In the next episode, we will dive into the data exchange module, which enables data transfer between different OPC UA servers. Stay tuned. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.